You have two main ways to clone apps on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. The first method is to go to Settings. In the settings we can scroll down until you find Apps, and then over here we have Cloned Apps. So some apps, for example WhatsApp, can actually be cloned pretty easily by simply pressing this plus button on the right side. However, the options that we have over here are very limited. Not every app can be cloned like this. If you actually manage to clone the app, as you can see, we can tell the difference between the normal version, the standard version, the main one, and the cloned version over here by this icon. However, if you want to clone an app that is not available in the cloned app, in the cloned apps setting, in that case, we can use the Moto Secure folder, which we can find, for example, in the Moto folder in the app drawer. So let's go to Moto Secure. Let's press get started. Let's skip this. Let's press start. You can, of course, agree to receive notifications. Let's close this one over here. And there we go. Here we have the secure folder. So let's set the secure folder. Let's set it up. We can agree to notifications, of course. Let's press continue. Skip this. And there we go. We need to log in to our Google account. So we can choose our Google account that you may already use at this point, and then press OK. Over here we need to enter the screen lock password and proceed. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Now we need to set up the password for the secure folder. So of course this is not really duplicating apps, but this option allows you to create second version of apps. So in this case, I'm gonna set up a simple passcode. There we go. Let's press next and enter the password again. There we go. Now we have the option to activate the recovery of secure folder in case we forget the password. I'm just gonna choose maybe later. We can also use the fingerprint sensor, but I don't want to do that right now. So now essentially we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner in order to add apps to the secure folder. Let's press add apps. And let's say in this case, I want to clone Facebook and TikTok. And let's press this check. And there we go. Now these apps have separated data compared to the apps that we have outside of that folder, of that Moto folder. By the way, the secure folder can be found over here in the app drawer, so you can access it like this. Of course, you need to enter the password of the secure folder, but this allows you to clone. So if you have one account, let's say of Facebook over here, you are assigned it to your Facebook account in this app. Then if you go to the secure folder, and if you try to open Facebook over here, you will have completely different data, meaning that you can sign into another account. So that's about it. These are two methods that we can use in order to create two apps. By the way, since I also used WhatsApp over here, I can of course also use the secure folder for WhatsApp as well. All you need to do is just simply choose WhatsApp from this list. And there we go. As you can see, now I have 3 WhatsApps in total, which is quite convenient. I don't think we can actually add it to the apps, to the home screen, I mean the shortcut. And these apps that we have in the secure folder are obviously not visible over here in the app drawer, so we have to stick with the secure folder in this case. So there we go. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.